Unexpected. That is the reaction we want people to have when they see the K5 for the first time. We use the phrase all new way too often in this industry, but this vehicle really lives up to that standard. Proudly built in our West Point, Georgia plant alongside the award-winning Telluride and Sorento, K5 is the first Kia to use our advanced N3 platform, allowing our designers and engineers to lower the overall height, reduce the front overhang, lengthen the wheelbase, and elongate the hood without sacrificing interior space. It features the next evolution of Kia's signature grille, a wider, three-dimensional design with a shark skin mesh. But what defines K5 perhaps more than anything else is the new Heartbeat DRL. The shape is inspired by an EKG pulse of a healthy human heart, a reminder of how a great drive can energize our very soul. The hydrofoil-inspired front bumper makes the K5 look as if it's gliding down the road with ease, metaphorically rising above the competition. From the side, the design says, high performance, fast, acceleration. This profile was super important. We wanted to incorporate a bit of the Stinger DNA with a sleek, fastback look. The muscular, unified body narrows slightly at the midpoint between the wheel arches. A distinctive cut line runs across the surface like a strong and lean leg muscle. The gloss black applique on the trunk lid makes the back window appear even longer as it leads to the panoramic sunroof. The chrome strip looping around the glass is a stunning visual cue, powerfully unifying the side and the rear. And around back, the Heartbeat lighting design continues with the available LED combination lamps connected by dashes of light extending across the trunk. And below, K5 offers 16-inch alloy wheels or 18 and 19-inch machined finished wheel options. From a design perspective, the GT has more aggressive front and rear bumpers, quad-tip dual exhaust, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and leatherette seating, all sitting on top of 19-inch high-performance Pirelli P0 tires and a sport-tuned suspension for high-speed stability and handling performance. Inside, K5 is your everyday escape pod with a clean, uncomplicated interior that delivers all the high-tech features you want and need. The wide horizontal dash is finished in a mix of metallic and wood effect surfaces for a sophisticated appearance, paired with premium and sporty upholstery options including red leatherette. The available 10.25-inch touchscreen is attached to the instrument cluster, displaying information clearly just below the driver's line of sight.
So let's talk tech, shall we? Improved voice recognition software helps keep the driver's eyes on the road, making it even easier to control commonly used features with simple phrases like turn on the AC. Fill the cabin with rich surround sound using the available 12-speaker Bose premium audio system. Or, if all you want is a little silence, the cabin is quieter than ever thanks to improved materials for a truly premium experience. After all, silence equals luxury. And of course, K5 is available with all of the modern-day essentials, including remote start and automatic climate control, a new wireless fast charger with drop-in design, plenty of USB ports, multi-Bluetooth connectivity, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto.
The new N3 platform enables more than just design innovation. It enhances overall performance, allowing for an engaging ride and better handling. The first model to arrive in dealerships in just a few weeks will feature the 1.6-liter turbocharged GDI 4-cylinder with an 8-speed automatic transmission, delivering 180 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque. Now, we wanted K5 to be fun to drive even in areas where the weather can get serious, so we're also offering an all-wheel drive system. Available with the snow mode, the system seamlessly optimizes performance by distributing torque between the front and rear wheels depending on road conditions and driving situations. The K5 all-wheel drive is also powered by a 180 horsepower turbocharged engine mated to an 8-speed transmission and will arrive in showrooms before winter. Next up is the optional 2.5-liter turbocharged GDI 4-cylinder engine arriving in dealerships later this year. Featured on the GT model, it delivers an impressive 290 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque, making it our most powerful midsize sedan ever. In true sports sedan style, we've paired this high-performance powertrain with a new 8-speed wet dual-clutch transmission and steering wheel paddle shifters. And while all K5 models include Kia's drive mode system, only the GT comes with the Sport Plus mode for maximum control. And of course, K5 is available with a full suite of driver assist features with forward collision avoidance assist, rear occupant alert, and lane follow assist, all standard fare.